Omu-Epe K2 roundabout. Let me now show you the road updates that we are doing on this road. This is K2 Omu Road that leads to Ijebu Ode. And let me now show you the updates on this road right now. Let's go. So if you are looking for a residential or a commercial property in the area of Ijebu Ode in Ogun States, then this one is the best one for you. This is Omu-Epe Estate, and right here we have 300, 600 and even 1,000 square meter of a commercial plot fast selling right here. So this is the right opportunity for you to invest right here in this estate. The land is dry land and this road is a busy road. Vehicles are passing here every hour. Just tell you that this property we appreciate in greater ROI in the nearest future. For more information, reach out to me to invest right here in this amazing Omu-Epe estate. Thank you. Bye.